Let me take you home. Let's go. This door is automatic. You can't go inside if you don't have the key. This key is censored and only those homeowners can enter. So let's go! Hi! Welcome to our humble home! Yay! Come inside!
Thank you.
So guys, this is our apartment. When you enter a Japanese house or a Japanese apartment, you have to take your shoes off this way. First thing that you will see around here, this is what they call the genkan in Japanese, and in English that means the hallway. So this is the genkan or the hallway. You see we have here our baby carrier, our baby's stroller, and shoes. Shoes, yes, shoes. And these are the documents, the important documents that we have to do or we should not forget. And here, this is our whiteboard where we take note of something so we will not forget. For example, we have to pay gas, so we have to put it here. This is our reminder whiteboard. Hi! So, on the right side of our hallway, you see here our semenjo. Semenjo is a Japanese word for a place where you wash your hands and your face. Yes, you can see here's a mirror. This is the only mirror we have, unfortunately. This is our bathroom. Look at this. This was actually nice, but my baby torn these. My baby torn these wallpapers, so it looks like this now, but before it was really nice. So yeah, this is our bath mat. And this is our bathroom. Yeah, simple as this. The right side of our bathroom is our toilet. I have here characters, very cute one. Yeah. So guys, in Philippines, after we poop, we are used to wash our, with water and soap. But in Japan, this is actually a culture shock for me because when I arrived here, there was no water and tap and everything. So the only thing that they use for washing their something after they poop is toilet paper. Nothing more, nothing less. Only the toilet paper. And I put here calendar. You know why? Because this is a reminder for my husband that he should remember important dates, especially monthsaries and everything. This is my baby's potty trainer, and this is detergent, and these are books. IKEA, hello IKEA. These are books. Like I put it here on purpose because in case we are not able to bring our phones when we do something in the toilet and it takes more time, so we are like in a salon, in a barber shop, while waiting for something down there to go out, we will take time to read and stuff. Yeah. around here is our washing place. This is our washing machine, our hangers, and all of those like important things like soaps and sprays and everything, shampoos, the refills that we use for our everyday life. And here, these are my kikai or for my beauty things. This is my hair straightener, my hair iron, or this can also curl your hair. I also have here my hair dryer and my makeup, and these are my things for my hair. So it's classified. This is for headbands only. This is for clips, and then for tie and stuff. I like to organize my things because I want clean. So yeah, only that in this area. Hi. So after our hallway or our genkan, here comes our living room. Our apartment is just small. That's why the price is also not so expensive. It's 50,000 yen or maybe 25,000 pesos in Philippine money. Yes, for you guys it's expensive, but for Japanese that's already cheap per month, okay? And that 50,000 yen is cheap for this apartment because this apartment's location is very nice. They have the convenience stores near the station, near bus station, near supermarket. Yes. So yeah, this apartment is really nice. So I highly recommend this apartment, but this apartment doesn't provide you furnitures and appliances. You have to provide it yourself. The only thing that comes with this apartment is the washing place for your face, the kitchen, like what's that, for the sink, yeah, the sink, and the place, only that. The rest we bought it ourselves. So yeah, too much commercial, let's go.